Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I promised more Steam games, and the first one we're going to do is test the waters with American Truck Simulator. So, normally I play this game when I just want to take a drive, but can't, or don't want to burn the gas money. But I'm curious if people want to see this on my channel, so I'm going to do a short haul. Sorry, hope everyone heard that intro, but a little loud. Anyway, let's see what we can find for a short haul. So, like I said, I use this game for simple use. Just if I want to drive, if I can't drive, or if I don't want to burn the gas, I don't. In this case, actually, I'm playing the game because I can't drive. I'm in a cast right now, so just to get a little bit of a driving fix, I guess. Anyway, let's see if we can the shortest haul. It's a long haul job, so we'll probably start from the back. Yeah, that should work. So, for the record, the last time I played this game, I think it was almost 3 months ago, so I am, if not more, I'm completely rusty on backing up trailers and stuff. So this should be interesting near the end. And the reason I'm doing short haul instead of a long haul is because the long hauls I can obtain usually are 2 hours or more, so definitely is the simulator. Too hard on the gas. I'm using keyboard and mouse, that's all I have, so it's automatic transmission and everything, but just to enjoy the game, I think that's fine personally. If you want to do it hardcore, then yeah, you can get all the stuff Squirrel's got. What's the speed limit? 55. By the way, a mouse keeps appearing in the top of the screen. I do not know why, but I had to remove it, I had to click. I missed the turn? Yeah. It's hard to see the screen I'm working with because I'm using an HDMI pass-through capture. So it's moved to the TV. So already I'm doing something probably highly illegal. Or at least frowned upon. And there it is. Definitely not my best start to the game. But hey, it's a simulator, I'm not too worried. If it was real life, I wouldn't be doing stupid stuff. By the way, we are riding with a Kenworth W900 with 4% damage. Excellent. Oh, I see. Okay. I'm gonna have to turn all the way around for this one, I think. And I have to use my mirrors a lot. Which already establishes it's double harder because I have to use an HDMI pass-through into a TV. Alright, I can at least see the trailer. There you are. Okay. Just good. Yes. Alright, there we go. You saw how hard that was. Imagine what it's going to be like when I have to drop the trailer off. Ooh. Already too tight. Corner. And I really wish I could move closer to this TV, but I just don't have that option. I don't have a permanent rig set up. I have laptops. In the future, of course, all you keep hearing in these last couple Steam videos is excuses, which I understand people don't want to hear. They just want to see the gameplay, so I'm going to shut up about that stuff now. So, as for progress in this game, my garage is out of Flagstaff, and I have an extra garage space. I'm just saving up to get a truck so I can hire a driver, so it becomes self-sufficient. On top of the normal driving stuff, now in the YouTube aspect, I think we're getting a shot for a thumbnail, which is going to be interesting, especially if it's a nighttime run. Maybe if I catch another red light or at the destination, I guess. What? Because I don't think I'm catching the highway at all in this video. Though I could be wrong. Okay. Not hard enough on the brakes that time. I have a feeling if anyone watches this video, I'm going to get a lot of comments saying you're doing this wrong, you're doing that wrong. I'm not a truck driver. So, yeah. And just like in real life, I'm catching every red light possible. Get up to the line as best we can. Just a quick thumbnail photo. Perfect. All you need is one frame. That's the nice thing about thumbnails. Just remember what time you got it at. And there's that little mouse again. I don't understand why that keeps doing that. If anyone has any ideas, please leave a comment below. Hey, an AutoZone, labeled car zone. Walbert and stuff. I'm sure if people watch this, they've watched Squirrel talk about it. How he wished the real brands were actually in the game and how he modded his game up to have them. I need to get in the left lane. I guess I didn't. GPS isn't always accurate, I guess. What's interesting is this game got what I didn't expect was even in the game where like Yellowstone is and stuff like that, you're not allowed to truck in Yellowstone and stuff. So if you have a trailer, you'll get a heavy fine, and that's true to real life, which is nice. I didn't expect that. So the first time the GPS took me to Yellowstone, and I'm like, I didn't have time to turn around for the delivery to be on time. So I ended up dealing with that $1,000 fine. But since it was a long haul, I got paid. It was not a hit on my end, but yeah, don't do that in real life. We like to keep our national parks nice and clean and free of heavy traffic. Oh, come on. Switch lanes for no reason now. Alright, we're on highway road, which means I get to go 55 since I'm in California. Which is another thing. Some states have a truck limit, some states don't. Another thing true to the US, which I find interesting. Why the US does it, I assume it's because trucks take longer to brake, and it's safer to keep them at lower speeds. But I could be completely wrong. Trying to get my cruise control, almost went into the wall. So I gotta remember which key is which. But now we're hauling. All those red lights chewed up my time. No. I'm actually gonna be late on my first video of this. Are you kidding me? Speed drop. And now I'm gonna talk. I might just bit myself in the ass. That's okay. You get to see all aspects of this game. Damage to the truck, backing up and stuff. My in missing that turn earlier. And now what happens if you get a late penalty? At least I didn't get a ticket yet. The music is actually telling you you're about to be late, if not late already. Just something to note. So now a game that I usually relax with this time is giving me anxiety. Excellent. Oh, lost it. And that's usually what happens. Yeah, you're definitely seeing the worst of my driving today. And that's me again. I can't see the screen properly. It's so ridiculous. Hilarious, but ridiculous. Doesn't matter, I'm having fun. I hope everyone else watching is too. I'm just glad the trailer wasn't damaged. Oh, I can see the destination on the GPS. I'm just glad this is recording properly, honestly. I tried recording this when I was heavily into the game a couple months ago, and oh boy did it have so many issues that it actually ended up making me quit the game for a bit. Alright, looks like the turn is coming up. Welcome to Walbert, I think. Where do they want it? And how do they want it? Alright, they want it back there, around the corner. Oh boy. Yeah, here's for the fun part. Nope. Come on, steering wheel. Without a jack. Alright, handle forwards. This is a much simpler maneuver than usually what I get, which is nice. But when I botch it, I really botch it. Like that. I keep... It's not a steering wheel, so I keep reversing the controls. Stop jackknifing. I don't know what's in front of me. Ah, damn it. It's perfectly lined up too, but I keep botching the wheel. And now it's to the point of jackknifing anyway as a result. What the frick? Come on. turn it a little more. Man, imagine doing this in real life. I can't. Like, props to real life truck drivers. It's a difficult thing for me to do on a computer, never mind in real life. Oh, yeah, aim for the wall. And the music is still stressing me out. No, not what we want. Still not what we want. See how close I can get to this fence. Hitting it. I can't see the trailer. And because I have a bad camera right now, I'm gonna do it like this. Preferably without whacking that wall. Alright, now I just gotta straighten it out. I know this is horrible to watch, but I'm gonna do it. Yes! Yes! Oh, damn. Oh, I got the late penalty. Lost some money and experience. That is... I'm surprised. I've never gotten a late penalty on a short haul before, except for when some glitch occurs and my truck goes flying. But because I'm recording, you know. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you did enjoy, please like, comment, and subscribe.